Hey everyone, my name is Kalem from Redfoot Leveling, and today I'm going to show you how to replace or fit a DV2 kit to a 7846 or a 7847 pump. Now the tools required for the job will be an adjustable wrench, a 14mm spanner, a 10mm spanner, and an 8mm hex socket. Now before we touch anything, we want to do an oil retract on the system. So power on, and oil retract. Now the next step is to turn off the power at the source or disconnect the battery. Once we've done that, the next step is to actually go to one of the cylinders that has the retract side at the bottom, and you just want to slowly crack the line, very slowly, to relieve pressure off the retract line. You'll see it'll start leaking. And what you want to do is you want to wait till it stops leaking, because that's going to drain all the pressure out of the retract bank so we can pull off the plug to start replacing the DV2 kit. So now all the pressure is drained from the retract side. The best way to test that it has all come out and it's now got no pressure in the retract line, bottom port, just give it a quick wiggle and you'll see there's no more fluid escaping from this. So now what we're going to do is you want to quickly clean it up, and to tighten this back up, you just want to finger tighten it until it's firm, grab your spanner, and you only need about 30 degrees, and you will feel it about there where it's snug. You don't want to over tighten these fittings as it can damage them. So now our power has been disconnected and there's no more pressure in the return bank. It is now time to remove this bung from the DV2 port. So using our 8mm hex socket, you want to loosen this. I would recommend getting a rag and catching any fluid that will come out of the return lines. Just loosen that off. Catch any fluid there. I'm going to get our valve and just put it into where we had the bung. And you can just tighten that up with an adjustable wrench. Now you don't want to make this too tight. You just need to make it so it's snug in there. It is an O-ring sealed valve. So once that O-ring compresses, it'll hold a good seal. Just enough, like that. Not too tight. We can then clean that up and put on the coil, just like so, with its little end cap. And again, not too tight, just so it's firm in place. Now you will see at the rear of the motor, we have two posts. You just want to loosen these off. Now be careful not to lose the serrated washer that comes with these, so you can see. And what we want to do is leave them on and just put these on top. So let's put the blue one onto the positive and the green onto the negative. And do these straight back up. So now the two green and blue wires are put on. We'll have a ground black wire, which just needs to go around to where all the other grounds are on the pump on the side with a 14mm spanner. Loosen this off and just tighten that up on that side there. And that's it, that's the system done. You may need to bleed the system a few times, just because we've just removed a lot of oil and pressure from the retract side. So just let it go up and down a few times, let the bubbles go through the system, and top up if required. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for some more tips and tricks.